sir. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright, we have unboxed our window, and this is the passenger side window. As you can see, there is one side that opens and has one screen, and it comes with this metal ring, and we will screw that into the frame. There is no glue. So this is the last time that we'll see the side of the van with no window in it, converting it from cargo to more like a passenger van. Some of the tools that we're going to be using today is this body saw that we went and bought specifically for the job with some extra metal blades, an angle grinder with some different discs, and a drill for cutting the initial hole. When we were looking for vans, we couldn't find the model that has the middle row of seats and the windows here in the middle, so we had to go with the cargo version and install the windows ourselves.
Alright, I'm going to pull this back to me just a little bit here.
Kind of a scary thing to do, cut through your vehicle, and we are definitely not professionals. We bought these two windows off of Amazon, and they are no glue. So all you need is the hardware that they sent with you, the metal ring, and you just screw it into this metal frame. And main thing is just cutting the hole and cutting it to fit well, line it up with that metal outside, and then it should just screw in, and it's supposed to be a very quick, easy process, so we'll see how it goes. This new tool we bought just burnt up before we were able to even cut cut out one window, so we're going to have to finish the job with the angle grinder, and we don't have many discs left for it.
Well, I was going to get a hold of it before it did that. That was classic.
That was professional.
I was going to have you hold the bottom of it before I cut those last tiny little pieces. And dress this up. And we'll be ready to dry. You're only as good as your tools. And that tool is not worth a do. Harbor fruit.
So we are all done with the passenger side window, and we are getting ready to cut the hole here for the driver's side. We have the seats covered up here for protection. We're just going to be using the angle grinder. The other tool burnt up. We had to run and get some more supplies, some more discs for the angle grinder, and hopefully this side will go a lot quicker with fitting since we have experience now.
Alright, now we're screwing this window in. It says it was vent tested for evenness, and it does look even, and looks like they did a good job manufacturing it.
Looks good from back here.
Yeah, I can't see in. When you come here, you can see out.
You want to go around and tighten each screw until it pulls it nice and flush, and you can see we are just about done here, and what a difference it makes in the look of the van now. And this is the driver's side window, and you can see it has two cranking opening windows with screens. If you use this tool, make sure to get lots of blades to be able to complete this job. We went through quite a few. You can see they're worn down to nothing.
This way. Oh, this is going to be tough.
It took us half a day for 2 days because we had to go get some more supplies, but you easily could have finished it in one whole day. Alright, that is it for today for the window installation in our Sprinter van conversion. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button so we know that you like these videos and will continue to make more.